JD 26 here to do the tips, repairs, and hobbies. I'm going to show you how to use this little tool here that I made. I'll get it in focus for you. And to clean the nozzle of the airbrush, which is over here. And what you want to first do is you want to drop your nozzle tip into the acetone, and then have an empty bottle over here, and you want to have some kind of screening, cut some screening and put it on the top, so when you pour the acetone with the nozzle stays at the top, so you can retrieve it and get it out of the bottle. You don't want to use tweezers. Use tweezers, they'll go flying all over the place and you'll lose it, so because it's kind of small. So we'll get to showing you the next part. So we have the Grex airbrush, and you want to take the back part off here and unscrew this a little bit. Pull your needle, and sometimes it's stuck. It gets stuck in there. Yeah, we're having technical difficulties here, guys. Let me get the wrench. Hang on. So you want to pull the needle out. There we go. Oh, that's kind of dirty, that needle. Let's see. Okay, we got to clean the needle with some acetone. The see the needle? See the crud on there? I thought I cleaned it, but obviously it needs cleaning. Okay, let's get back to this part. So you unscrew the nozzle here. Once you get the needle out, and don't let that go flying, and use your wrench like that, unscrew it until you get it so you can get in there with your fingers. And it's still not loose enough, so I'm using the wrench again to loosen it up more. And you get it out. Okay, so I got it in my fingers, okay? There it is right there. If you can see that. See it right there. What you want to do is you want to drop it in your acetone over here in the bottles. Let's see, I hope you guys are in focus here. And 5 minutes in the acetone, and then screen the needle out with some kind of a screen. Get a piece of screening and put it on top of the bottle inside here. And after you pull it out, you take this tool that we made in the previous video with the I believe it's a number, yes, size 11. And you go in there and you clean inside, and you go right through and clean the crud out. You can almost feel it in there, okay? And you'll see brown stuff come out, okay? See it how it comes out the tip? See it right there? Moving it back and forth. And you want to get all that crud out. They have tools on eBay. There's a guy out in Florida. He sells a tool for $5. You could buy it there if you want. If you don't want to make one. Little shout out to him. You wiggle it around, get all the crud out, wipe it on your finger or on a piece of tissue, and you'll see how it will clean out the inside of that. Basically, you're using a number size 11 tin. You can even get them smaller than this, I believe. But that's how you do it. That's how you use this little tool. Okay? And I have to clean that needle right now. I hope you guys are having a good holiday and shopping a lot and buying the stuff for your loved ones. And I hope you're enjoying the holidays. And we'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.